guys, today I'm going to cook a pork steak. So let's get toasted. I have a pork steak that I bought at Walmart here. There was two in this package. These were $4.47 a pound, so it was $8.05 for the two pork steaks. I cooked one last night to try this out. I'm going to do this in this 10-inch cast iron skillet in my toaster oven. So I'm just going to rub a little oil on the outside of the steak here. Kind of oil up the pan a little bit as well there. And kind of rub that oil on there so the seasonings will stick a little better and so it won't stick to the pan. I'm going to season it here with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, it says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. Alright, that looks good. I'll flip it over and do the other side same way. If you don't have a cast iron pan, you can just use the baking tray that comes with the oven. Okay, I have the oven rack in the center, right in the middle there. Put that in there. And I'm going to use the air fry setting. This oven has an air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So if your oven doesn't have that, I would just set your oven to bake and just turn all the way up to 450. So anyway, I'm just going to keep an eye on that for now and see how long it takes. It's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to check on this here. Now pork you want cooked to a minimum of 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal. So let's see what the internal temperature is with this quick read thermometer. That's like 180 right there, so we're good. I'm going to pull that out and brush on a little bit of barbecue sauce. You can see this is pulling away from the bone there, so you can tell that it's done that way too. I'm going to brush on this some of this Kinder's mild barbecue sauce now. There's enough in there. That'll give a little more flavor and a little more color as well. And then I'll just pop it back into the oven for, a couple more minutes just to let the sauce kind of caramelize a little bit. I didn't turn this steak over. The one I cooked last night I did, but I didn't feel like I really needed to. So let's get that in for a couple minutes and let that sauce caramelize a little bit. It's been about 3 minutes. This ought to be good. Oh yeah, it looks nice. This thing's really steaming. Probably because it's cold in my house all the time too. But you can see it's pulling away from the bone there, so you can tell it's done. So we'll just cut into it here and see what the inside looks like. Oh yeah, it's cooked through. You want pork. You don't want pork too rare anyway. That looks good. Looks fairly juicy actually. So, get that sauce. Let's have a bite. That's good. Juicy, has good flavor. I like it. Are you excited, Annie? Annie seems pretty excited about this. There you go. Try that one out, Annie. Well, that was easy and good. And for $4 something a pound, it's a lot cheaper than beef steaks. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.